Welcome to the Georgia Foundation for Public Education's Peach Education Tax Credit Application Walkthrough video. In just 3 minutes, you'll be able to see how easy it is to apply for the Peach Education Tax Credit. First, go to gfpe.org and click on Tax Credit in the navigation menu. Or you can click on the navy blue box on the homepage. Next, click on Apply Today. You will be asked if you're a returning donor or first-time donor. We're going to click on First-time donor for this video. Next, select your taxpayer filing status in the drop-down. Some of the options include individual, married, and corporation. Choose the best option based on your status. If you're not sure which filing status to choose, make sure to ask your CPA. Let's continue with the individual filer option. Fill in the form fields with your information, making sure it's the same information that appears in your tax forms. The Amount Requested section is where the Peach Education Tax Credit comes in. Enter the amount you would like to request for the credit. For an individual filer, the limit is $1,000. The limit varies depending on your filing status. Remember that you must purchase the credit before the end of the calendar year to be able to claim it when filing your taxes. Next, indicate how you heard about this credit. Select whichever option best applies to you. If none of them apply, choose Other and type your response in the new field that appears. The last drop-down asks for school, fundraiser, or specific fund, please designate. This gives you the option to designate it to a school district or content area of your choosing if they are listed in the drop-down. If you choose not to designate a school or content area, we will distribute the funds through innovative grants. There are 2 quick checkbox questions remaining. The last checkbox is a required authorization, so make sure you fully read it before proceeding. Next, click Continue, and it will ask you to review your application. After reviewing, click Submit to GFPE, and that completes Georgia's Peach Education Tax Credit application process. Next, you will receive 3 letters in the mail. The first letter is a confirmation letter to inform you that you've received pre-approval from the Department of Revenue. Once you receive this letter, submit your donation online or send a check to GFPE. Next, you'll receive a receipt that GFPE has received the donation. Lastly, you will receive the Qualified Education Tax Credit computation, which you will use when filing your taxes. The tax credit gives you the option to pay your taxes the way you want to while positively impacting Georgia schools. Check out the Art Impact link to learn how grants have already made positive changes in Georgia schools. Visit gfpe.org to apply for your tax credit today. Thank you.